video you're going to see me how I'm entering in Idaho's port of entry. Yeah, so in the wait station. Please like, subscribe for you to know when I am going to post the video with me entering in that port of entry wait station. I was waited in port of entry from Pocatello, but I wasn't thinking to start the video to see the rules and for me to tell you, of course, for the newbie ones, not for the elder ones in trucking. If the elder ones are seeing elder, like experienced, not elder, so experienced ones, if they are seeing my videos about that, please tell me what I was doing wrong or what you think. What's your opinion about the wait station? How you have to drive and do in a wait station. Yeah. So nice sceneries. This guy pulled a little close to me in front of me. For sure he couldn't see both of my headlights in his mirror. Yeah. For sure he wasn't able to see both of them. Driving through Idaho County, Idaho State, yeah? Oh, a large brake, a large hard brake on the pavement it was. And if you can see straight in front of you, we can still see some snow. There is a patch of snow in front of the picture, in front of the phone, maybe now to the left a bit. Snow still exists. And stay tuned, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to post a much nicer video from Montana's countryside. Like and subscribe. Let's see how the view will change. I want to stop now. We are going to pass through Pocatello, Idaho, and soon I will arrive in Idaho Falls, where I'll have to stop for refill my fridge with some goodies. Yeah, food. Yep. Not that much because now it's Saturday and Monday I'll be home. Maybe I'm going to buy some bread, some chicken, roasted chicken, some avocados, what else? Maybe some bananas, and that's it. And tonight I want to sleep in Montana, somewhere around Helena. I want to pass Butte, Montana. I don't want to stop in Butte. I think that I'm going to have enough hours to go a little up north. I have another 884 miles that doesn't matter. It matters more my person and myself. So Pocatello is not such a large city, but it's one of the Idaho's cities, and I think I never recorded before a video from Pocatello, so why not? Pocatello, and before Pocatello I was driving, let me see, I entered Idaho, I refueled in Utah, going north on I-15 from Salt Lake. I stopped in Willard, Utah. Now I'm in Idaho, and next will be Montana. I like Montana. I would live there. I have to do some research about the life in Montana, about taxes, and how good it is to live in Montana. Maybe you can give me a hint. You can comment down below and tell me what you think about living in Montana. It's a good place. It's expensive. How's the taxes? Which type of taxis? Another police officer on the left. Today I met loads of police officers. This one just came here on the left. You'll be about to see it. Look now. He's coming to hunt for some reckless driver. He just came. Maybe he stopped the guy, a poor guy. He gave him a ticket, and now he's up to the second hunt of the day, or who knows how many hunts he did today. Yeah, I was a little closer to this Honda CR-V, but no danger, don't worry, be happy. That chicken, hopefully I'm going to find a good chicken, and I'm going to find a roasted one. If not, I'll be in trouble. Although I have some food left, but that's not that fresh anymore. I have some pork steak, I have a steak left, I have some rice. Come on guys, 65. Go with 65 if you are allowed. Or it was 55. I didn't saw that. No, it wasn't 55. It was in the past 55 here. But now it's not the 55 zone anymore.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
I am going the wrong way down the street. Yeah, I know that my GPS, my truck GPS doesn't know this road. This road was built a couple of months ago. It's a continuation of I-15 going north. It's a new one. go into the lane. She was sitting beside me all the way, and now she's not driving. Just beside the truck in my blind spot. Don't do that if you are driving on the road. Don't sit in a truck's blind side. That's dangerous. He can't see maybe, and he will going to change the lane, and he will going to crash you. Or a tire might blow on the truck, and okay, it's the trucker's fault, both of them maybe. But think about yourself. You want to put yourself in danger. Maybe you're not alone in the car. Maybe you have someone else on the passenger seat or behind on the seats, or a child. And now she's beside the trailer. I want to change the lane to give way to the others that they are sitting behind me, and she's just sitting beside me. I can't change the lane now. Just if I'm going to change it, I will going to cut in front of her a bit. That happens. Shit happens. Yeah, shit happens. If you want the truck to cut in front of your way, do that. Sorry. Police is in front. Police. Police nearby. So, you saw Pocatello. Pocatello is under construction. The I-50 going north and south through Pocatello is under construction since I started driving for these guys in Canada 1.5 years now. Still constructions and repairs and you name it. Things are moving slow in the US like in Europe too. So construction sites, they look abandoned, no one is working. Probably they don't have sufficient amounts of money for finishing the roadworks. Probably here too it's that finance problem with. So in the US as all around the globe, things are moving slow. What? Excuse me. Yeah, so I'm doing 69, yes. That's the right speed that I'm doing on a 70 zone. So I'm good. So like I told you, stay connected to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, and you're going to see the next video some nice images from Montana's countryside and some I-15 going north through Montana. But don't forget, next video probably will be with wait station. There is a port of entry close to Montana's border. The port of entry is going north from Idaho Falls, passing Idaho Falls. I'm going to record that my pass through that port of entry. Hopefully I'm not going to forget that. Turn on the camera and stay safe. If you want, I can show you take that into consideration when you see a truck trying to maneuver through tight places. Give him space or don't give him. Show him that you're not going to let him. No, not just maybe you are doing or the other way or you don't know what to do. Yeah? Don't make it worse than it is. Okay guys, see you later. Alligator, take care. Press the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.